Amen. So now, a little short quiz. Or let's just say, what is your favorite shapes, numbers, colors, and alphabets? So let's start. Read the question number 4 and question number 5. Which shape, my dear student? What shape has more sides again? Our topic for today. So let's start. So our learning objective. Our topic again for today is all very good. This one is square. Very good. This one is rectangle. Repeat after me. Very good. This one is parallelogram. Repeat after me. Very good. This one is sky. Repeat after. So let's proceed to our lesson. Annalie. 1, 2, 3. Very good. This one. Yes, Anna, you're raising your hand. What shape is this? Very good. So, Annalie and Anna, um, remind teacher Trisha to get your prize later. How about this one? Yes, Angelica, what shape is this? Yes, it's a triangle. Annalie, Angelica, and Anna, remind teacher Trisha to get your prize later. How about this one? Anyone? Sino may alam na shape na ito? Yes, Aljan? Very good. Annalie, Aljan, Angelica, and Anya, remind niyo ako later to get your prize sa akin mamaya. How about this? Yes, Jericho, you're raising your hand. Very good. So, Jericho, Anya, Angelica, Aljan, and Annalie, remind niyo si Teacher Trisha na kunin yung prize sa akin mamaya. How about this one? Yes, heart. Very good. So heart, Annalie, Olja, Angelica, Anna, and Jericho. Remind teacher Trisha, remind Ma'am Trisha to get your prize later. So this one, what shape is this? Yes. Yes, Daniel. Very good. So, how many students na bang nag-answer? Nakailang student na bang nag-answer? May prize sa akin mamaya. Remind nyo lang si teacher, ha? Ito naman. Anong shape ito? Yes, Jerome? Very good. Ito naman. Anong shape ito? Very good. And how about this one? What shape is this? Yes. Katanin? Very good. Again, to my dear students na naka-answer na, remind nyo ako later to get your prize. And anong shape ulit nito? Anong shape ng stop sign na to? Other hand, yes, Catherine, you don't know? Oh, thank you. Take your seat. How about Jericho? Very good. Ang shape na ito is octagon. Good job. And how about this one? Yes, Catherine. Okay. My dear students again, sa mga nakasagot, kindly remind your teacher to get your prize on me. What shape is the pizza is? Other hand, parang ilan lang yung students ko dito, no? Other hand, Cal, what shape is the pizza is? Very good. Remind me, remind your teacher to get your prize to me later. How about this one? What shape is this remote? Other hand? Yes, Carlo. What shape is the remote? Very good. So, to my dear students na nakasagot na, remind nyo si teacher to get your prize later. How about this one? What shape is the egg? Other hand. Give chance to others. Very good. Very good, Sophia. How about this one? What shape is the stamp? Yes, Maria. Yes, Joy. What shape is this? Very good. So, to my dear students na naka-answer na, remind niyo ulit si teacher para makakuha kayo ng prize mamaya. So, let's start. Let's discuss. Ano yung or ano yung favorite na shape ninyo? Let's start with Annalie. What is your favorite shapes? Okay, very good. Thank you, Annalie. How about Angelica? What was your favorite shape? Very good. And how about Carlo? What's your favorite shape? Very good. What is your favorite shape, Krista? Very good. And what your favorite shape, Jericho? Very good. So now let's proceed to other one. Let's discuss about colors. Ito naman, what is your favorite colors? Let's start with John. Ano yung favorite color mo? Very good. How about Annalie? What is your favorite color? Very good. How about Joshua? What's your favorite color? Very good. And the last one is um, um, Raymond. What's your favorite color? Very good. So those colors is your favorite. Okay. So let's proceed. If you know if you know what color is this, just raise your hand. Yes, Annalie. What's the color of this? It's a it's a what color is this? It's a what? It's a red. Yes, this one is red. Thank you, Annalie. Another one. What color is the ball? Any other hand aside from Annalie? Yes, Krista. What colors the ball is? Very good. This color is color orange. Later, we will be having a mini activity that you will find inside our classroom. And after you find it, give it to me, and teacher will give you a prize. Another one. What is the color of octopus? Yes, Jericho. Very good. The color of an octopus is violet. Another one. So it's summer. What the sun color is? What's the color of the sun? Yes, heart. Very good. Yellow. And what is the color of this cake? Any other hand? Yes, joy. What is the color of the cake is? Okay, brown. Later, I will give you activity and I will give you materials. Create your own shapes, your favorite shapes, and color it with your favorite colors. And let's count naman from 1 to 10. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, ano naman, aside, aside from numbers 1 to 10, ilan ba yung kaya niyong bilangin? I mean, umaabot na ba kayo ng 11 to 20? Or 1 to 20? Kaya na ba yun? Or hanggang 1 to 10 lang mo yung kaya? So, lastly, I'll give you another case and I'll give you another activity, and this activity is, so read the direction carefully before raising your hand, before raising your answer. So, question number 1. Yes, Annalie, you're raising your hand? Correct. The apples are 5. Very good, Annalie. How about, yes, Angelica, how many ducks you see? Okay, very good. Again, to my dearest students na nakakasagot, thank you for participating. Kindly remind teacher to get your prize to me later. Again, the correct answer is, the answer that Angelica gave is 8. Very good, Angelica. How about this one? Yes, Jericho. What? How many goats do you see? Very good. The goats you see, the goat we all see is 10. It's 10 goats. Very good. How about elephants? How many elephants you see? Yes, heart. Very good. The elephants you see is 9. Very good. Again, dear students, um, remind teacher to get your prize to me later. And this one naman, how many carrots do you see? Yes, Daniel? Oh, very good. And this one naman. Okay, student, great job. also remind teacher to get your prize to me later. Thank you.